If you're doing any wire crimping, then you're going to want to get a kit like this from a company called Haisstronica. And this has got a very complete set here of crimping tools. They're going to meet all kinds of needs for any kind of fittings that you may have, whether they be the bullet type, the open barrel, all kinds of different types. You're going to get some instructions here that are going to explain all the different types of connectors. And if you look at these here, you've got these ones that come in from each side. This one here is the open barrel style. You've got some eyelet connectors here, all kinds of different connectors, and that's what the different style of crimping teeth are going to be used for. So with this kit, you're going to get a screwdriver here. It's a Phillips head. You're also going to get a wire stripper here that you can use for basically on the different sizes of wiring. AWG here is from 12 or from 10 up to 20. You're going to have the ability to strip those different kinds of wires. And then also you've got a piece down here for doing some crimping that you could do. And there's a cutter here as well. So this right here is a blade that you can use to cut the wires as well. It's got a little lock here to put that in place, but very nice how this all fits into this kit. And here's really the big part of it. This is a ratcheting pair of pliers. You've got a release here to release the catch. If you get started and you want to back it up, you can just do this and open it up. But this is going to ratchet along the way and put a ton of force on these teeth here. And in this case here, these are the ones that might be typically used for these type of terminals here that have just the insulated cover here over the part that is where the conductor will be. So if I can show you that, you've got the inside portion with the plastic on the outside. So these have got insulation on them. You're going to use that one for that. Now you've got all kinds of different options here. So the teeth are all removable and you can take them out and you can put in whatever one you need right into the device. You're just going to use the screwdriver that they provide. You're going to loosen up this bolt here, and that bolt goes all the way through. There is no nut on the other side of it. And then you can remove these pieces and put in the other one. Real simple. They're all labeled so you don't get them mixed up. Each one has stamped right on the tool the letters A through F, and you've got A through F marked on the tools themselves and in the carrying case. So it's easy to figure out where to put them back. So A, B, C, D, E, F right here. And on each of the tools underneath here, you can see this has got the B. So this is the B style here. Let's take a look at each of these. Here's the C. Different style there. Here's the D. This is your open barrel style. These are good for pins that go on the cannon plugs. It's going to pinch down there and then curl it around like a little heart. That's your letter D. Here's E. It's more of a rectangular look here for these. And then finally, here's the F. It's got, again, a little bit of a heart shape to that. So depending on the one that you're working with, you're going to want to pick the right one. So say I want to just go ahead and I want to put one of these terminals here onto one of these wires. What I'm going to do is what I tend to do, don't twist them too much. Just kind of get them together, but don't twist all your strands up too tight because it lets these things bite into it better and give yourself a better connection. So I'm just going to turn it as I push that into there. Get that into place. I'm just going to let this piece stick out just a little bit there like that. And then I'm going to choose, this is a blue connector. You've got a little blue indicator here. That's helpful to figure out, am I using the right size? That's typical for that. And then I'm just going to connect it right in there. And then I'm going to ratchet that down all the way through, then release. And my connector, you can see that it's got that nice crimp on there, both sides bit down into the wiring. That thing is not coming out. This is a nice crimp, nice and tight and flat right through the insulation. And I've got that insulation piece still connected there. definitely a nice set of crimpers for any kind of function that you're going to need to use. So I would totally recommend this kit because any electrical scenario that you're going to come into, you're going to be able to do it just fine. Here's an example of some open barrel connectors here. These small ones like this that go into those cannon plug pins. It'll do those too. It'll do all kinds of them like this, different shapes and sizes, different colors here, tell you which one to use. Overall, this is a great set. Hope that helps learn a little bit more about this crimping tool set from Haisstronica. Have a great day.